Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mac the Wise Soul, and I'm back with another video. So first off, welcome back to the channel. It is much appreciated. Thanks for coming back, tuning in, checking out this latest video on these latest sneakers I got right here. Second of all, if you're watching it right now, you probably got that notification bell, turned on, so you seeing this video as soon as it drops. Those that are doing that, it is much appreciated. Those of you who aren't, first thing I need you to go ahead and do for your boy, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you appreciate it. Or if you really don't like the video, you can give it a, hey, here's a secret. You can give it a thumbs down. I ain't really tripping either way. It's up to you how you feel. Go ahead, just interact with the video. That's all I'm asking. So I ain't even gonna keep y'all too long, but before I get into the sneaker, also go ahead and do your boy a favor. You can follow me on Instagram, which is down below in the description and up on the screen. You already know how I do it. Like I said, I ain't wasting y'all time today. We gonna get you in and out. Let's go ahead and get right into the sneaker. And as you see right here, I have a classic orange and white Nike box. Again, nothing special on this box. For the most part, if you've seen the thumbnail, you kind of already have an idea what's going on in this shoe. But let me go ahead and read that label to you. First off, we have the Nike Dunk Low Retro, size 12. My size, that's your boy size. Color spectrum, Varsity Maize, Midnight Navy. Retail price, $100 US. As you guys can see right there on the screen. And here you are, the Nike Dunk Low Michigan. So first off, let me just go ahead and say this. Your boy hit on a dunk on sneakers. Like, y'all already know how rare this is to even cop a shoe for retail at almost at any sneaker right now. It's almost impossible. But for me to get a dunk on sneakers, I'm greatly appreciative of that. I've hit a few these last 3 months. Your boy done stacked up some sneaker dubs, and I'm gonna get those videos out to you because I know y'all been wondering where the videos at, Mac. And the Wise Soul, I got a real job, and I can't do this all the time. But I'm gonna bust out this content for you, so don't even trip. But back to the sneaker. Anyway, this shoe I definitely wanted to get added to the collection. Last year, I actually got the Nike Dunk High Michigan. So when I found out the Michigan Dunk Low was gonna come out, I decided let me go ahead and move that Dunk High out, and I did that. And again, I was able to cop the Michigan Dunk Low for retail. As you guys see right here, classic Michigan look, Varsity Maize, Midnight Navy. Your boy's a big Cal fan, so I have a lot of Cal gear I'm gonna rock with this shoe also. So if you're a fan of any collegiate team that rocks, or any sports team, or any team in general that rocks this color spectrum, this is definitely a dope shoe. As you guys clearly know out there right now, the people that are watching this video, the dunk craze is wild right now. It is virtually impossible to get dunks at a retail price, and it is. But thankfully for this shoe, if you're a fan of this shoe, or a shoe that you're definitely interested in, the retail price right now, the resale price right now isn't too high. I think the last I looked, it was around $220, $230. Obviously it's a $100 sneaker, so it's $100 more, but we've seen some of these Dunk Low prices up there in the 5, 6, 700s. That's a pretty good deal right now. So definitely a shoe you want to check out. But overall, this shoe, it's nothing super special. It's not like great leather or anything. It does what it needs to do. It hits you with the color spectrum. It gives you a nice good look. Go ahead and give you that. You got your Varsity Maize tongue here with the Nike branding on the tongue right here. Also, you got the Nike, you know how the dunks look. Got the Nike branding on the back. Midnight Navy outsole, white midsole leading up to the Varsity Maize and Midnight Blue. It's definitely a dope shoe. Inside the insole, you can see right there, it has like an orange. Yeah, it's definitely orange Nike logo branding inside the sneaker right there. Overall, I think it's definitely a dope shoe. It's definitely a Dunk Low. Again, those who are fans of Dunk Lows, you're definitely gonna appreciate this. It didn't come with any extra sets of laces. This is the only set of laces that I see. You know what? Let me verify that. I didn't even actually look at the other shoe yet. Let me check. One moment. So again, like I said, it doesn't come with any set of spare laces, so you only get the Midnight Blue spare laces with this one. If you have a chance to get some Varsity Maize laces, I think throwing them in this shoe would be definitely a fire look. It's something that would make the shoe pop even more. But back to the shoe itself, it's definitely a shoe you want to go ahead and cop. So as you guys know in my videos, I like to go ahead and give it, I have a 7-point scoring system I give it. 0 to 7, 7 being obviously the best you can get. In the YSO scale, I give the Nike Dunk Low Varsity Maze, aka Michigan, I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 7, meaning, hey, it's a dope shoe. If you can get a chance to get it for a good price, go ahead and do it. It's not a must-have, obviously, but it's definitely a nice shoe to have in your collection. And it looks really good. You can throw with a lot of good Michigan fits. Like I said, you see your boy got the Fab 5 shirt on, the Michigan hat right now. I'm probably gonna throw these on today when I head out the house. That's what I'm gonna do. So I appreciate everybody taking the time out to watch this quick little video. Hopefully I didn't get this video too long. I got you guys in and out. So appreciate that. Again, don't forget, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let all your friends know. Come check out the YSO. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, don't forget, check me out on Instagram, which is also the YSO, which you'll see on the screen. For the Nike Dunk Low Varsity Maze, you have your boy Mac the YSO. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.